ESA works hard to keep our satellites safe. When a piece of space debris is on a possible collision course with one of our missions, an alert is raised. We receive thousands of alerts per day for our fleet of roughly 20 spacecraft. ESA teams determine how the satellite could avoid the debris if necessary. This is called a collision avoidance manoeuvre. Additional observations allow the teams to better predict the probability of a collision. If it remains higher than the acceptable level, usually 1 in 10,000, the collision avoidance manoeuvre is performed. The satellite fires its thrusters, changing its orbit to a new one clear of this or any other known debris. The satellite's instruments are often switched off during a manoeuvre, which means important data can't be collected. After safely avoiding the debris, the satellite returns to its original orbit. As human activity in space increases, it will no longer be possible to plan every collision avoidance manoeuvre by hand. ESA is working to safeguard crucial space-based satellites and services by automating the collision avoidance process.